And welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix the Discord disabling all computer audio except for the call. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So I'm not going to show you the fixes only, but I am going to show you some possible reasons why you're having or experiencing the error and then their possible fixes. So the first one, what we have here is the single output device. So if specifically a single device is selected as an output device, then you may hear no sounds while being on a call on Discord, or the fix to that is to select multiple external connected devices as output to hear all the sounds. So to do that, just first go to your taskbar and simply right click onto your speaker icon and choose open sound settings, and you will find the connected devices, and under the output just select the device and mainly headphones you want to hear the sounds on. And then that's it for the first reason and first fix. And then what we have next is the outdated audio drivers. So if audio drivers are outdated, then you may also face issues with the audio being while being on Discord. So the audio drivers are not supporting the audio output at their best. So simply update the audio drivers to resolve this issue. So to do that, just first open the device manager by right clicking the Windows icon, and then right here, click on the device manager, and now go to the audio input and output option and click on to the narrow or arrow to expand it and right click on it. So a pop-up will be opened. So just click on to the driver tab right here and then simply choose update driver. So after you've done that, just choose for search automatically for drivers and wait till the drivers get updated. And so that's it for this video. Those are some reasons and possible fixes for you to do if you're having the problem on your Discord. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.